So today is maintenance day on the Sprinter. As always, I'm measuring the oil that comes out. It has about 13 liters of capacity, and the last oil change I did, we took out 12 and a half. And we ran that oil for around 10,000 miles, which is about half of what the dealership recommends. We are using this EcoGuard filter off Amazon, and we'll see how it does in our oil change analysis, which we're doing through, I can't remember the name of the company. And then the oil we're putting in is 5W30, the full synthetic Euro spec. And let's look at those specifications. Those are our specifications. And then of course we document everything in our journal, our maintenance log, so that we know where everything is in an analog format as we maintain this vehicle. To get the filter out, we have this little wrench extender. Let's see if we get a better view of that.
Yep.
You want to see this oil filter, buddy?
Yeah.
What are you looking for?
We're looking for anything that looks like it's part of the engine and not part of the oil.
Ooh.
And like metallic, so
Yeah.
silver. And it's looking pretty good.
Yeah.
You
Don't see any chunks.
Cosmic chaos. Cosmic chaos.
don't want anything that's going to cause any cosmic chaos in your engine, do
That's
you, River?
right. No cosmic chaos.
Alright, so that filter's been inspected. Thank you for assisting with the inspection. Checking for that cosmic chaos. Now we're ready to put in the new filter. Want to help me, River?
No, we're playing hide and seek soldier.
Okay, cool.
Very important.
Now we put 13, putting 13 liters in.
How's it
13
going,
liters
River?
Out, 13 liters in.
Is it fun, River?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is it fun, Buck?
Always working as an apprentice under River. Alright. How many more should we put in? If we just put 5 in it, we need to get to 13.
Let's put 30. We should put
How many more to get to 10 from 5?
5 more.
Yeah, and then we'll do another 3 after that, right? So this is the lab report for the second oil change on the Sprinter that I have done. And we can see that the comments say the universal averages for the 2.1 liter turbo diesel look a little different and are based on the 8,400 mile oil runs, where metals decrease since the last sample, indicating lower wear inside this engine. Aluminum is the only metal over the average level, and it might show some extra wear at the pistons or bearings, but not enough to warrant any real concern. The higher flash point rules out any meaningful fuel. The Tango Bravo in / November is still nice and strong. We think you could add 2,000 miles to the next run. And for our second part, we can see our elements in parts per million on this oil. So aluminum's 13, chromium's 1, iron's 2.6, copper is 4, lead is 0, tin is 1, molybdenum is 4, nickel 1, magnesium is 1, silver 0, titanium 0, potassium 9, boron 120, silicon 5, sodium 3, calcium 1029, magnesium 458, phosphorus 728, zinc 794, and then here's our properties. Viscosity at 210 Fahrenheit is 61. Viscosity at 100 C is 10.55. Flash point in Fahrenheit is 435 fuel, less than 0.5, antifreeze 0, water 0, insolubles 0.3, TBN 4.3, and that is all she's got, folks. Looking pretty good. We will see you around. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to see the next oil change.